Girl Facts for Romance. Hi and welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing some fascinating, psychological girl facts on romance. Whether you're in a relationship, or looking to start one, understanding these facts can help you strengthen your connection and build a more meaningful and fulfilling partnership. So, let's dive in. Fact number 1. Women are attracted to confidence. Confidence is attractive because it suggests a person is secure in themselves and can handle anything life throws at them. A confident partner makes women feel safe and secure, which is essential for building a strong relationship. So, work on building your confidence, not just for your own well-being, but for the benefit of your relationship too. Fact number 2. Women value emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage emotions in oneself and others. When a partner is emotionally intelligent, they are better equipped to handle conflicts, understand their partner's feelings, and build stronger connections. Show your partner that you value their emotions and are committed to working through any challenges that arise. Fact number 3. Women appreciate acts of kindness. Simple acts of kindness, like bringing your partner coffee in the morning, or taking care of chores they don't enjoy, can have a profound impact on your relationship. When your partner feels cared for, they are more likely to feel loved and appreciated, which can strengthen the bond between you. Fact number 4. Women want to feel heard and understood. Listening to your partner and taking the time to understand their perspective can go a long way in building a strong relationship. When women feel heard, they are more likely to open up and share their thoughts and feelings, which can deepen the connection between you. Fact number 5. Women value security in a relationship. Feeling secure in a relationship is essential for many women. This can come from having a partner who is dependable, trustworthy, and committed to the relationship. Demonstrating your commitment to your partner through your actions can help build a sense of security and stability in the relationship. Fact number 6. Women enjoy being surprised. Surprising your partner with thoughtful gestures, like a special date or a thoughtful gift, can make them feel appreciated and loved. These small acts of thoughtfulness can go a long way in keeping the spark alive in your relationship. Fact number 7. Women appreciate a sense of humor. A sense of humor is important in any relationship, as it helps to diffuse tension and bring light to difficult situations. Sharing a laugh with your partner can bring you closer together and make your relationship more enjoyable. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many psychological girl facts on romance. Remember that every woman is unique and what works for one may not work for another. The key is to communicate openly, be understanding, and show your partner that you value and appreciate them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, as always, stay tuned for more great content from Motivational Quotes.